Not what I want to see yet. Now I'm in it. Now I'm in it. Okay. I'm in this trade. 81.75. Okay. Guys, excuse me for 1 second. Okay, here we go. Rejection at the tops. Come on, baby. Come on. I'm good. Ah! See that? Come on. There we go. We got filled. Rejection at the tops again. See that rejection right there? That wick didn't close above, close below. I go short. Price probably will come down to 82. Are we hitting 82 right now? Yes, we are. Simple as that, guys. Follow my price action strategy, guys. Follow my price action strategy. I trade on pullbacks. I look for the rejections. I look for the failures, and you will make money. Okay? Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Future Trader with Mike, and today I'm trading once again the Emini S&P 500. This is my live recording session of my daily trades. I'm trading the session is open here, guys. So it is 9:30, or actually 9:30 is opening time, but it's 9:48 my time right now. I'm a little late into getting started here, and just sitting down looking at my charts. Okay. So those of you following the channel know that I'm a live price action trader, and I trade this particular market every single day. This is your first time watching. Well, thanks for watching the video first off, and I hope to gain you as a subscriber to my channel, guys. If you're a beginner looking to learn how to trade price action, maybe possibly trying to figure out a strategy, a particular strategy to learn in trading as a beginner. Well, guys, I am a price action trader, and price action is honestly the holy grail to trading. If you do not understand and do not know price movement, price action, then I don't see how you could actually trade. And you found the right person that will that you can follow and learn from. In my videos, what I do is I discuss the levels I trade from, why I trade from those levels, and talk talk about why that particular level is a good level to trade from. And you'll see me in my trades, guys, that I take profit every day. I do this for a living, so this is what I do. I've been trading probably a little bit of about 9 years, going on 10 years. So been doing this for some time, and gotten pretty good at doing it and enjoy doing it. Okay, so let's jump right into it. And if you haven't subscribed, go ahead and subscribe to the channel, guys. I appreciate it. You have nothing to lose. You only have to gain. This is a good opportunity for if you're a beginner to learn something, or to pick up on, or watch a trader live trade his account and trading the Emini S&P 500. So let's get started, guys. I always like to go back and look at the prior day. Yesterday we continued to the market sold off some more yesterday, guys. I mean, we kind of moved sideways to 28th to 29th, and then we sold off yesterday. So making swing to the downside, pulling back, swing to the downside, pulling back, swing to the downside, pulling back, and then boom, we must have hit a level down here. So let's take a look possibly and see what that level may be. But before we do that, let me see something, because we may be at a little level here that I can take a possible trade from. So let's see if we can possibly get some reaction in this area. Okay. And price can shoot a little lower here. Okay. Okay, I'm taking a quick little trade. Just a quick little scalp. Yeah, just a quick little scalp just up to this area right here. I saw price rotating in this area here, so that's just a little scalp that I want to take right quick. So just picking up a quick little 4 ticks right there. I'm pretty sure. Let's see. Today is what, the 1st of October, so we're into a new month now. Yeah. Let me get my trade performance onto the new month. Actually 5 ticks, guys. Picking up 5 ticks there. Okay, so that trade there was just a little level sitting right here. You can see this little small little level in the 12 range. The price pushed up, pulled back, and then pushing higher, taking out this swing here to the downside, where price pulled back to it. So there was a level sitting right here. You see price bouncing at it. Okay, so let's see. This price could actually bounce right here. Okay, I'm going long, taking a little long trade here. Price can pull, can bounce here and push lower. So I'm very aggressive on this trade right here, and be honest with you. Come on. I need to see price break this area right here. Come on. There we go. There we go. All right, getting filled. Price pulling back to this area right here. Actually, let me see one thing. Oh yeah. Let me go back into this trade. This is another. This is a. Oh. Nope. Let me get out. I see something that I don't like to see. What am I doing? Sorry about that, guys. Yeah. Price bouncing. Actually, yeah. I'm missing the trade. Let me get into it because I'm missing something. I see something. Should have stayed in that last trade. Okay, there we go. All right, so let me explain that. Everything kind of unfolded real fast for me, guys, so I had to take that trade. I jumped out and jumped back into it because I noticed two things at one time. So the price is going to test this area right here, possibly maybe even the high. Let me look at one thing. Okay, yeah, price can bounce right here. Okay, I was looking for price to come up and test this right here, this area right here at 4,300. Okay, so excuse me. Yeah, 4,300. All right, so what happened here? Of course, I told you there's a level sitting right here, right? This is the level that took out this swing to the upside right here. Okay, so this swing when price push down, pull back, and pull lower. When price pushed up, pull back, and push higher, it took the swing out. So it came back to that level, bounced there, pushed up, retracement, bounced again. So you look for the the opportunity to go long. Here was the little W shape right here, W formation at the bottom here. Price did break it by a few ticks. That's a fake out. That's what they do there is it's an area of liquidity. So whenever there's an area of liquidity, or area of demand, or could be supply, whatever the case is, the banks, institutions, they do this. They take that level out by a few ticks to stop traders out and then turn around and push that market back the opposite direction. That's what they do. It's a trick. It's just a way to stop traders and trick them out of a trade. So they did that. All right, and the W, you got the W down here. Price pushed down, pushed up, pull back, boom, take a long, go. So there it is. All right, now price is pulling back again. Price can actually push lower now because we are not taking out 43.03. So right now it's moving sideways. You can see we're in a wedge here. We're in a wedge, okay? So let's look to see where we're at right now on the, okay, I'm up 31 ticks already, okay? I know I jumped out of the trade, jumped back in because at first I thought the entry was, I got into the trade too late, but actually I quickly looked at it and said, okay, I'm in the trade. I should have stayed in the trade, and I did. I jumped back into it. So, it just kind of unfolded for me real quick. But I'm up 31 ticks, and I've only been trading for 7 minutes now, guys. Okay, so let's see here. Price is rejecting this area again. Wow. All right. It's kind of wild. That's yeah. Okay. Hmm. All right. Price is like it's trying to break to the downside. Okay, we got a lot of low volume right there. So, um, let's see. It hasn't broke yet. Okay, I'm along, guys. Long. There we go. Got filled. All right. Saw the rejection again. Hit the bottom. right here. Price not wanting to break below this little swing right here to the upside. Okay, so price pull back. It's going to come up here and test this little high volume area right here. This little high right here around 4,300. So where we at? 42.98, 42.99. So a couple ticks away. It's going to check that area, guys. Okay. So trying to stair step down, but it's not closing below. And we can't close below. I'm not saying we can't, but I took it because there was some more rejection right there. All right. There's a level sitting right here. Price so far has not broke that level. Can't break that level to the downside. Okay. So now I'm up 40 ticks, guys, and haven't even been trading 10 minutes. All right. That's good. Off to a good start this morning. And you guys can do the same thing. I mean, it's all about knowing and executing your trade entries. That's what it is. See, there we go. All right, 42.99. Okay, the VPOC just shifted, so we stand down in this area right here because the VPOC is a dangerous area. So where we at? 40, right at 40, right at 4,300. Right where I said price would probably bounce at. Right here. Okay, so price push down, pull back, push lower, which was right here. If you see it right here, okay. So when price pull back here, the best thing to do was wait for price to reject this area, like it did. That wick right there, the wick did not close to a full candle to the downside. Okay. All right. Wait for it to push back up, retrace, and then take your long entry. Okay. Now what I'm gonna do now is stand down because price could actually push lower now. Yeah, it can actually push lower, so okay, so the market is this must have been a reversal right here. Yeah, that's a reversal. The market's not wanting to push lower, so all right. Okay. So all in all, what it needs to do is, let's see, it's pulling back now. Market is a little volatile right now, so yeah, it's not wanting to break below here. Yeah, this was a right here. That was a long right. That was definitely could have been a long right there. Okay, a little short right here. Market's a little volatile right now. The pace of it is, so I'm being very careful of the entries I take, guys. And be honest with you. And this may be a quick session today because I'm been profiting pretty well just in this little zigzag right here, kind of market moving sideways. Okay, it's a little triple top right there. Let's see. Price could pull back to this area right here at 43.02. Let's see what happens. It's a level right here, 43.01 3/4 or 43.02, somewhere in this area right here. But we got to be careful because what do we have below? We have the point of control below. Okay. And this is where it makes a good trader versus a bad trader in a sense. You've got to be able to read the market. You got to be able to read market, understand market analysis and follow price action. Okay. So let's see here, guys, because price is no, I don't like this. Yeah, the difference between a good trader and a bad trader is, a bad trader doesn't really fully understand price action. Okay, let's see. We're at the VPOC. VPOC is shifted, so I'm not going to do anything. A bad trader is going to be someone who starts trading without fully understanding price action, or feel like they may grasp 50% of what's going on, or just because you understand price action, you got to understand and be able to read market structure as well. Market structure is the most important thing at first because you got to understand, looking at the historical movements of price and then move to the current to understand, what's going on now, and then following price action movements in the current. Um, to be able to take your trades from mark levels. So, and that's one thing that a bad trader kind of fails at doing is being able to read. How can you trade the market if you don't understand what the markets did prior to, and to understand what it's going to do moving forward? And also being able to, as a bad trader, you've got to be able to mark good levels and marking you can't mark every little level on your chart, guys. I mean, some levels are better than others. That's why I bring into play the volume profile, because volume is a very important piece to trading. Okay, a good trader understands all that. They understand, where to take a trade from, the good levels. They understand a good level to take a trade from. They understand when I say take a good level to take a trade from. They identify a level, okay, where price is pulling back to, okay, a good level to trade from, and looking at the geographical area where that level sits at or rests at, is it a good level to take a trade from or not? Remember, I always say, mark the level and then wait for price to pull back to that particular level. And if you're trying to go long, make sure that level is you're buying from the lower end of a high volume area. Okay, so prices. Let me take a look here, guys, and see what's going on here, because price is it's pulling back. To a level again, a level right there at 42.97. Yeah. Mm. Okay, price is bounced. All right, VPOC just shifted down. Okay, you saw that, right? On the 4 range chart, it was right here. The VPOC was sitting right here, just shifted down because there's been more volume being created right there. Okay, so let's look for a pullback now. Pullback to this area right here where the VPOC's at, or just a little lower. This was rejection again, right here at this level. Right here. Okay. So it's right here. So let's see if we get a pullback to this area here, and then maybe possibly go along. I'm not sure if we're gonna get the pullback though. So okay, VPOC just shifted up again. Volume is just shifting back and forth because it's volume being created right now in this area. But yeah, good trader is going to wait, guys. You're going to wait and mark good identified levels in your chart. You're going to know what the market, you're going to understand the market structure and what it did prior to understand what it's doing right now and following price action, price movements, and not be so involved in worrying about indicators and allowing indicators to give you the signal to take a trade. I guarantee, I'm telling you guys, indicators are lagging. They I don't use indicators. The only thing I use the volume profile, and I don't really consider that an indicator because I'm not taking my trades off based on what it's actually doing. Like some people take trades, when the market gets back to, a price moves back to an EMA or a VWAP or a MACD, stochastic indicator with making crossovers and things like that. I don't do that. I do not do that. You get into the trade way too late. I purely follow price action and price movements, and I take my trades from, understanding and looking at what the market is doing based on price action. So that's the difference there of what a good trader looks for and, a bad trader. A bad trader is someone that is completely, they may think they understand price action or able to read market analysis, and more so than often they are taking bad trades, not making a profit, or their win to loss or a ratio is is not good. And that's a good that's something you need to pay attention to. Is like, how often are you profiting? How often are you winning versus taking losses? Yeah, see, this was rejection again. Yeah. Mm, maybe price will come back down. Um, not sure. I'm looking around this area here, but I have to pay attention to the actual price action. Let me see price. Uh, yeah, it's bouncing right here. There's a little micro level sitting right here, but we're dead smack at the middle of the VPOC, volume point of control. Yeah, I'm not gonna trade around this area, guys. I'm not gonna take a trade around here. If it comes down here, maybe, but as of right now, I'm not trading in this area. Um, this was a short, too close to the VPOC. Okay, here we go. We're too close. Nope, too close to resistance right here. Don't like it. Don't like it. Hmm. Price is in a. It's wedging right here. We are wedging right here. See it building volume in this area. So I mentioned I'm up 40 ticks right now. Yeah, 40 ticks. So 40 ticks is $500. Okay, I'm being patient. But yeah, I appreciate everyone, guys. I appreciate everyone that's been following the channel, everyone that's been subscribing to the channel. Um, if you have any ideas or may want me to discuss any particular topic um, centered around my trading, shoot me an email. I appreciate the emails that I have been receiving, and I answer you guys back. And um, trading is a lot simpler than you think it is. It's just you know I say this because you have to be able to. I think people have been trained the wrong way, or maybe taught the wrong way, or you know come across someone that may have shown them the wrong way or wrong thing of an idea of how to trade. Because everybody has their own strategies, and I try to make it as simple as possible by just kind of like trading from a naked chart other than volume profile. I mean, what do you see on my charts other than the lines that I have to mark my levels that I put on there myself, and then you have what you see to the right hand side of my charts is just the volume profile, and I don't trade from the volume profile. I just use it as a tool to let me know if when I mark my level, is it a good area to take a look at. And that's all I do. But the biggest thing is I say this over and over is understanding market analysis. Market analysis is looking at the market from a macro standpoint, overall, and then um, scaling in or zooming in to uh, focus on what the market is doing right now, following price action, price movements. See, the market's just chopping right here, back and forth, back and forth. Today's Friday, so it started off good, it opened good, and maybe we're gonna push to the upside here. Um, Ultimately, price is going to need to take out this area right here at 43.21 to push higher and start breaking some of these levels to the upside. These levels I'm talking about are these swings to the downside. These are areas where price needs to push higher and start taking out these areas and pushing higher. Okay. So trading is, price is always making levels and breaking levels, making levels and breaking levels. So when price makes a level and then breaks that level, say if price is moving to the upside, making a level, then it comes back down and breaks that level, that same level that where price is moving to the upside, that's breaking a level to the downside, you know. And so when price turns back around, um, and retest that level to the downside, that could be a short. If price breaks that same level that was moving to the downside and then takes it out and then retraces back to it, then you can possibly look for a long. That's all it is. Breaking and retesting, breaking and retesting. So, but you just have to visually understand it, comprehend what the market is doing. You got to ask yourself, do I really know what's going on? Do I really know how to trade? Am I that good trader or am I that bad trader? Which category do I fit in? Okay, let's see here. Okay, price is pushed lower. Finally, I was waiting to see what it was going to do, but it pushed lower. It came back down here to the this level right here, but it broke to the downside because it couldn't push up and take out this area right here at 43.08. So yeah, okay. Let's see what's going on here. Um, hmm. Okay, price could pull back. Let's see. Crap. Yeah, price finally broke. And it's going to come down here and test. I don't want to jump into this trade way too late. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and take a short. Okay. Quick little short trade. Price is going to bounce right here in this area here at 42.02, somewhere around here. 42.85. Okay, it's hitting this area. It's probably gonna come 42.80. Yeah, around 42.83, 42.82, possibly. But it's bouncing right here. Okay, let's see. Let's see what price did here. So push down, pull back, broke. That swing to the downside. Okay. And then on that pullback, that was an entry to go short. So um, okay, I'm going short. Short again. Ah, it fell on my. Okay, there we go. All right. Like I said, I know where it's going to come down to. Probably test this area right here. All right. So two little quick little shorts. That's 2 points I picked up real quick. Okay. Where'd it come to? It's at 84 still. All right. Hmm. So let me see here. Let me see. Let me see. Let me see. Uh, huh. Let's see here. Yeah, I'm looking. Hmm. And the price can come lower. It's hitting 83 now. 82. Like I said, guys, I told you. Low volume area. Price is going to check this high volume area right here. Price likes to move in between a high volume area and another high volume area. So it was figuring out what it was going to do here. Broke below, got to this low volume, and it started pushing lower. So, and where's it bouncing off of? Right there at 82 to the tick. I said that, didn't I? All right. Oh yeah, I see why. I'm trying to see if there's a level. I think there's a level right here. Hold on a minute. Let me see something. I can't see it fully. No, 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 no. Let's see. Uh, okay. All right. Let me look at something here. Yeah, right here. Right here. I'm thinking it looks like it's should be a little. Take a look at this again. Yeah, right here. I'm not sure why it hasn't come down to that little level there. It's off of it by not even a half point. Okay, so that is a little level there. All right, but it's in the middle of high volume area. I don't really. That's not a particularly a good area where I like to take my trades from. I want to see it actually come to the lower end of this area right here. So with that said, um, hmm, yeah, see it bouncing right here though. Hmm. Be careful here though. Yeah, it's gonna test this area right here at 48, 42.82. Yeah, okay. I want to see it come lower though. It can bounce here and then continue pushing upwards, but I like to take my trades from the lower end, and we're kind of dead smack in the middle of a high volume area here. So let's just be patient and wait. Yeah. Let's see. Let's see. Okay. Hmm. Yeah, it's trying to push higher. Yeah, I'd like to see it come back down to 77 area if it does. I'm not sure if it's going to though. Let's see what happens. Okay. Uh, okay, I'm taking a long. This could be too early. Price can come a little lower, but okay, here we go. Come on. There we go. All right, quick little long. This was a level right here. Price was rebouncing this right here in this area. Price was rejecting. So we saw the rejection right here. This is actually a W. If you see it here on the 12 range, price pushed up. Maybe excuse me, pushed down, retrace, try to push down, and then boom, W. One, two, three, boom, four. Okay. All right. So that was a little W there. I wait for price to come back to it, and then I took a trade on the rejection. So um, yeah. Mm, mm. Yeah, it's level. The level is right there at 42.78. Price pushed up, pull back, push higher. We're tracing back to this area right here. Okay. Um, so yeah, the question is now what price is going to do because we're in this high volume area. Is it going to continue pushing higher or what is it going to do? It's rejecting uh, once, come here twice. So let's see what happens here. Yeah, so what price can do now is actually pull back, possibly all the way back up to 92, 93 area. So But we gotta be careful because we got these little swings to the downside right here in this leg right here. So let's see what happens here. Price bouncing here. Okay. Short, guys. 86.75. There we go. Come on, hit it. There we go. Short. Rejection right here. The tops at a level right here. Swing to the downside. Price pushed up, pull back, try to take it out. It couldn't close above this area right here at 42.86, and then it rejected. So it may come back down here and test the low right here, but yeah. Let's see. Yeah, may come down here and test the low. This low right here, around 40, 41. I mean, excuse me, 81, 42.81. So kind of somewhat moving sideways in this area right here. And this is pure price action trading. Trading the Emini S&P 500. And that was at the top end of this high volume area. Remember I tell you, if you're going to take a trade to just take a trade to the downside or selling, make sure you're taking it from above, above a high volume area. Not at the middle. And if you're going to take a trade from below, take a long entry, make sure it's at the lower end of a high volume area. Price likes to travel from, if it's going, if you're taking a short, it likes to move from the upper part of a high volume area back to the mean, from the lower portion of a high volume area back up to the mean. So understand that. Mm. All right, more rejection at this level right here. Right here. All right, so rejecting it. Okay, so let's see what's going to happen here. There we go. Oh, no, 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 no. Let me take this straight out. Not quite yet. Not what I want to see yet. Now I'm in it. Now I'm in it. Okay. I'm in this trade. 81.75. Okay. Guys, excuse me for 1 second. Okay, here we go. Rejects at the tops. Come on, baby. Come on. I'm good. See that? Come on. There we go. We got field. Rejection at the tops again. See that rejection right there? That wick didn't close above, close below. I go short. Price probably will come down to 82. Are we hitting 82 right now? Yes, we are. Simple as that, guys. Follow my price action strategy, guys. Follow my price action strategy. I trade on pullbacks. I look for the projections. I look for the failures, and you will make money. Okay? Simple as that. Price is bounced off this level. Price is rejected. Okay? Pushed up. All right. Came back, retested here. Pushed up. Rejection at the top here. This is a short. Okay? Price came back down again to retest. It's going to be a long right here. Right here. And then let's see what happens here. Actually, you could get a test right here at 79.5 or even 7 or even 80 for a little quick bounce scalp. Guys, maybe my last trade right here. Watch this. Watch this. Let me show you. Okay, this may be it right here. Let's see. Come on, a little lower. Nah, not yet. Not yet. I want to see it come down to 79.5. Man, you're going to see me be very aggressive if it comes down there and it gives me enough clearance or room to be able to scalp. If not, then I'm not going to take a trade. I'll tell you what, I'm going to go ahead and put a limit order right here and show you. Let's see if we get there. I'm going to go ahead and show you guys if we get there. Come on, puppy. Come on, baby. Come on down. It's going to be a quick scalp. It's chopping to the downside. I don't like that. Yeah, this is gonna be a quick scalp, guys. If it hits this target, my limit orders, it's gonna be a very quick scalp. Oh, boom, that quick. See that? Told you. It's that quick. I can read the market, guys. I mean, I know what it's going to do. Just follow price action. If you're good at following price action, you're going to know exactly where to put your limit order at. Okay? I just wanted to show you that. Okay? All right, guys. I'm gonna wrap up this video today. It's the 1st of October. This video here, I'm just going to title it "Good Trader versus Bad Trader." I hope everyone enjoyed the video, picked up some pointers, some tips. If you got any questions, shoot me an email. I thank those that have subscribed to the channel. I thank my followers. Guys, please, if you don't mind, go ahead and like the video. And let's see here. Hold a minute. No. Sorry, guys. I was looking at this. But yeah, go ahead, guys. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, like the content, please make sure to subscribe to the channel. You have nothing to lose, guys. I am showing you why I'm explaining to you why I take these trades and I mark and identify my levels and I have nothing to hide. I have nothing to sell you. I don't have an indicator to sell you. You know, I don't have anything to sell you. I just want to be able to share what I know with other people out there that may be interested in learning how to trade the right way. The right way. And that's the key. Finding someone. It took me a while to understand and trade, guys. And not everybody wants to show you guys. People, it's sad to say that so many people are like, they're into their own world of not being able to help others. And what's the purpose of harboring information if you can help someone else? Because at the end of the day, we're not here forever, you know? So pass it along. Make somebody else's journey, make someone else's life sustainable and you know, to where they're able to find something that they enjoy to do and build an account and enjoy and reap the benefits in life. So I have no problem doing that and helping someone else out. I have no problem showing you my strategy, you know. Just because it took me a while to kind of learn things because I kind of went old school with it and researched and studied hard. And so I'm basically giving this information out, as a freebies because I'm not trying to sell anything. I just want to be able to see someone else enjoy and have the gratitude, or of being able to trade the correct way. Because I know there's so many people out there frustrated and learning how to trade and saying and throwing their money away trying to learn how to trade. That's the biggest thing. Why throw your money away and learn how to trade? If you lose your money or lose in a trade that you may have gotten into the wrong way, then that's one thing. But to throw your money away and try and giving your money to someone else, and them not even showing you the correct way of how to do it, that I can't appreciate. We all take bad trades from time to time. Definitely so. But once you become better, you will. Once you know price action, you will become better and better, better and better at what you know. Okay. So that's the key to it, guys. Appreciate everyone for following the channel. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so, and see you in the next video. And if you're trading, be safe.